Hi guys, these are my favourites, so we're doing a few today. Let's have some fun. It's Top Dog Saturday. Right then. Oh. Right then. We're going to start off with Raf and see how well we can do. Here we go, guys. Guys, that there is Rover. Luna. Go. Oh, come on, Raf. Who's that? Misty. Come on, little papillon Raf. Where are you? Molly. Put the kettle on. And we've got Ella. We've got Sage. And Lola. Guys, first one is... But, guys, there's more. Let's see if we can find Rover. Come on, Rover. Ella. Fido. Lola. Duke. Don't you think that sounds like a big dog? Duke. Daisy. Coco. Misty. And Sadie. Guys, I'm doing rubbish. Where did I throw the other loser? There we go. Right then. Now I've got a pile of losers and I'll have a pile for winners, hopefully. Here we go, guys. Right then, we're on Sage. And we got Duke, Misty, Lola, Molly. We've got Rover. We're after Rover before. And Ella. Come on, Sage, where are you? That's not Sage, that's Coco. And Daisy. Right, and guys, this one here, Daisy, is going to come out of the woodwork. We're going to have 5 of her. Come on, I won £10 on one of these on one thing the other day. I thought it was quite cool. Misty. Molly. Olma. Otis. Sadie. Ruby. Rover. Always when you don't want. Sage. And Raf. Puff. Guys, not doing very well at all. Right then, this one's going to be brilliant. Okay, here we go. Come on, Duke. Sounds like a big dog. Let's have it. No. Sage. Ella. Lola. Luna. Raf. Ruby. Coco. And Rover. Guys, I've got 1 card left. I'm getting murdered. Here it comes, Raf. He's going to be everywhere. Yay! Come on for Raf. Come on. We got Duke. We got Ella. We got Sage. And Sadie, pregnant lady. Rover. Yay! Bum bloody Shaka Laka. Sorry for the swearing. But hey. Otis. Last card, put it in. What's it going to be? £10? What do you reckon? Well, there's definitely £1. And those is little zeros. 40 quid, guys. Look at that. Now, that's a profit session. Wow, now that is the biggest win I've had on one of these cards. Boom, Shaka, Laka, last card. Phew, I didn't think I was going to get a win, guys, but I got a win. Yay, thank you so much. If you're not already, please subscribe, hit the like button. And thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it, guys. See you soon. Bye.